Hello chaps, welcome back to Math Learning Studio. Today we will discuss some types of questions based on the Heron's formula. In the previous video I told you what is Heron's formula and how do we apply this, and we just do examples, straightforward simple examples where we were given the three sides of a triangle. Today we will discuss some more types of questions based on Heron's formula in which we are not given the sides directly. But आपको पता है that Heron's formula के according अगर area find करना है then what is the formula? The formula is S, that is semi perimeter, multiplied by S minus A multiplied by S minus B multiplied by S minus C, and this complete remains under the root. So this is the formula. That means to apply the Heron's formula we need the three sides. Without three sides हम apply नहीं कर सकते इस formula को, right? So we will take 2-3 examples today in which we will understand कि if the sides are not given then what to do. Very simple भाई, अगर Heron's formula apply करना है we have to find the sides, means there should be some way in which with which we can find the sides, है ना. हम पहले sides find करेंगे and then we'll apply the Heron's formula. That's it. Okay, so it's the first example. We can see 3 marks are given on this triangle. It means this triangle is equilateral triangle. This triangle is equilateral triangle, and it is given that the perimeter of this triangle is 90 centimeters. Perimeter means sum of all three sides. Okay, so we need to find the side of this triangle. पहले side find करनी पड़ेगी. तीनों sides equal होने चाहिए. Mentally we can find out 90. तीनों का सम है, each will be 30, 30 and 30. Formula wise we can say 90 divided by 3, that is 30 centimeter. So each side of this equilateral triangle is 30. Now we have to find the area. Now we can do this question from here onwards in two different ways. One, you know that there is a direct formula for finding the area of an equilateral triangle. So area can be equal to what? The formula is root 3 by 4 into a square, and a is what? The side. So it can be root 3 divided by 4 into side. Side is 30. 30 ka square 900. Alright. Now we can cancel it out, and what do we get is 225. Divided by 4 we get 225. And this root 3, we do not know the value of root 3. If it is given in the question we can apply. If not, leave it like that. So this can be root 3 multiplied by 225 becomes 225 root 3 centimeter squares. This is one way. Direct formula apply कर दिया, equilateral triangle. Now, if I want to apply the Heron's formula, or maybe the question it is given, apply the Heron's formula to find this area. तब भाई देखो हमको S चाहिए. S मतलब क्या होता है यहाँ पे? Semi perimeter. Means इस perimeter का half करेंगे. So we get the value of S from here. S will be equal to what? 45. Semi perimeter. Okay. And then we apply. And now we know this 30, 30 and 30 are the sides. Okay. So let us find out the area now. क्या हो जाएगा भाई? S कितना है? 45 multiplied by S minus A means 45 minus 30 will be 15. Again 45 minus 30 will be 15, 15 तीनों बार, ठीक है? And remains under the root. Okay. Now what we can do? We can factorize. 45 can be written as what? 3 into 15. So 3 into 15. मैंने 15 क्यों लिखा? Because I know there is another 15. And ये 15 पहले से पेयर बना हुआ है. That means 15 into 15 into 15. It remains under the root. Simple na? So now we can get, we have two pairs or two numbers which are making pairs. Same 15 15 ही है वो. So 15 will come out two times. एक यहाँ से एक यहाँ से, and under the root 3. So 15 into 15 becomes 225 and root 3 remains that. Root 3. If 225 root 3 centimeter square is the area. We see both areas are same. We'll take one more example in which again we will not be given all three sides, but what will be given? Let us find out. So in the second example, what we have is there's a triangle and we are given the ratio of the sides. Ratio of the sides मतलब उनकी lengths का ratio given है. Lengths are not given. Sides नहीं given है, ratio given है. And the ratio is given as 2:4:5. And also we are given with the perimeter as 44 meters. Alright भाई, कैसे find करें? Sides find करनी है from the ratio. Well, there's always one thing that helps us in the ratio question and it is called the ratio factor. पहले भी पढ़ा है काफी बार, right? In the linear equations, this is very much used whenever we get a ratio question. So let the ratio factor is x. Ratio factor x है मतलब ये side x की form में आ जाएंगी. So smallest one we can see this is, let us say 2x. Ratio factor is x, so this becomes 2x. This becomes 4x. And this becomes 5x. Okay? So 2x, 4x and 5x are the sides now. अब ये length में आ रही है, meters में. Perimeter is 44. Perimeter means sum of all three sides is 44. We'll write this implies that 2x plus 4x plus 5x is 44. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 5, 11x is equal to 44. That means x is equal to 4. मतलब जो ratio factor है वो 4 आ गया, है ना? If ratio factor is 4 means x की value 4, so we can find the three sides now. So a becomes what? 2x मैंने let किया था starting में, so 2 into 4 8. B becomes what? 4 into 4 16, and C becomes what? 5 into 4 that is 20. Okay, so we got the three sides now. Three sides आ गई, मतलब we can apply the Heron's formula now. That's it. S सेमी पेरीमीटर कहां से आएगा भाई? पेरीमीटर का हाफ. Perimeter is 44. S will be half of it. That is 22. So 22 multiplied by क्या हो जाएगा भाई? 22 minus first side 8. 22 minus 8 is 14. Multiplied by 22 minus 16 that is 6. Multiplied by 22 minus 20 that is 2. So under the root so multiply में, है ना? Now 22 क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? 2 into 11. एक 2 पहले से है मतलब एक पेयर बन जाएगा. 14 can be written as 2 into 7. 6 can be written as 2 into 3 and then multiplied by 2. This is complete under the root. अब यहाँ पर पेयर बहुत कम दिख रहे हैं लेकिन है फिर भी. वो क्या है देखो, 2 and 2 one pair means 1 2 will come out. We can see there is one more pair of 2, that means one more 2 will come out and we cannot see any other pair. So 11 into 7 into 3. 11 into 7 into 3 remains like that. 2 2s are 4, 4 and under the root what we get? 11 into 7, 77 into 3 will be 231. So 4 into 231, 4 root 231 meter square is the area for this triangle. जिसमें sides नहीं, sides का ratio given था. ठीक है? One more example we'll take based on the isosceles triangle. In third example, we have an isosceles triangle. These two sides are equal are not given to us. So the third side, which is usually known as base, is given as 20 centimeters and the perimeter is given as 50 centimeters. So to apply the Heron's formula or to find this area of this triangle, we need three sides. So we need to find these two sides, but we don't know them. Yes, we can apply the perimeter there. हमको पता है perimeter is a plus b plus c. तीनों sides का sum करने से perimeter आएगा. That means 50 आना चाहिए. So a we do not know. So let us take a. Base we are given as 20. So I'll write 20 plus c. Third side is also. I have taken it to be a only is equals to 50. So a plus a is 2a equal to 50. We take 20 that side becomes minus 20. So 2a is equals to 30 and a equal to what? 30 by 2 that is 15. That means both of these sides are equal and equal to 15 centimeters. Alright. Now we can apply this formula. We have the perimeter as 50, so it means semi-perimeter will be half of it, that is 25. Okay, so let us put the values in this formula. 25, okay, in place of s we get 25 multiplied by 25 minus first side is 15. So 25 minus 15 is 10 multiplied by 25 minus second side, that is 20. So it will become 5 multiplied by, again 25 minus 15 will be 10, and this remains under the root. Now 25 can be written as 5 into 5, okay, multiplied by 10 can be written as 2 into 5, there is 5, we cannot factorize that. 10 can be written as 2 into 5 again. So complete under the roots. Now what? We have to find out the pairs. One pair, second, and this we can see third. So one 5 will come out, one more 5 will come out, one 2 will come out, and under the root what do we have? We have just one 5. So this remains under the root. So 5 into 5, 25 into 2, 50 root 5 centimeter square is the answer for this triangle, or this area of this triangle. Okay, so in this way we apply the Heron's formula, but हमको तीनों sides चाहिए होती हैं. So we find the sides first, apply the formula, and get the area. That's it. Okay. In the next video, I will explain you how do we apply the Heron's formula to find the area of a quadrilateral. Yes, this formula can be applied to find the area of a quadrilateral also. What are the conditions required? How do we apply the Heron's formula? We'll see in the next video. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. As usual, stay connected.